Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're talking a topic that is essential in location sound for film, fiber optic cleaning. As sound engineers on set, we increasingly rely on fiber to transmit digital audio like Dante or to deploy RF links across long distances. Whether it's between your sound card and a base station or between your recorder and Dante interfaces, fiber is critical to complex sound setups. But a dirty fiber means degraded signal or no signal at all. In the field, that can mean dropped Dante packets, RF cuts, or lost clock sync. That's not ideal. In this video, I will walk through the cleaning tools I'm using on set, how they work, and the full procedure to properly cleaning both patches, cables, and long-distance OpticalCon. Here is the cleaning gear we will be using today. A fiber patch cable with APC connectors, green, and UPC connectors, blue. A 300 meters fiber barrel with nut-trick OpticalCon, ideal for linking base station or antenna extensions. A fiber cleaning pen or stick. A mechanical cleaner for internal connectors. A box of dry fiber wipes, anti-static and safe for optics. Isopropyl alcohol, 99% for dirt, grease, or post-rain conditions. The fiber cleaning pen. This tool is specially made to clean the female side of fiber connectors, like chassis port adapters. It works by inserting the pen into the fiber port, pressing down gently until you hear a click. This activates the internal cleaning mechanism. A microfiber tip rotates and lightly scrubs the glass surface to remove the particle or films. It's a dry cleaning method, no alcohol needed. Use the correct version of the pen, SC, LC, ST or OpticalCon, based on your connector type. It is simple, fast, and essential to do before every connection, especially after transportation or outdoor use. Let's go through the steps for both use cases. The first one is cleaning a patch cable, male connector. Fold the wipe and apply a small amount of alcohol. Wipe the ferrule in one direction only, then the dry side to finish. Cleaning an OpticalCon chassis, female connector. Insert the cleaning pen straight into the port. Press until you hear the click. Remove the connector and it's clean. Never touch the fiber tip even if clean. Always cap connectors when stored. Clean before every use, even after storage. Never use canned air. It can introduce moisture and residue. Cleaning fiber is quick, simple, and absolutely essential to ensure a stable audio transmission on set. Whether you're working with Dante, MADI, AES67 or long distance RF, a clean fiber equals clean capture. Take 30 seconds to do it right and you will save hours troubleshooting. Thanks for watching. If you have any other tools or technique for fiber care on set, let us know in the comments. See you soon for more pro sound content.